All right, welcome back. Okay, so now let's look at this example here. We've got two relations. Okay, we've got this relation here. We've got this set of ordered pairs, and we've got this relation down here. And so we want to determine whether these relations, whether they are a function or not. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is, the only thing I'm looking for is two ordered pairs where they have the same x value but two different y values. Okay, so if I look here, right here, so I've got these two ordered pairs, they have the same x value but two different y values. Okay, that violates the definition of a function. Remember, a relation is a function if for each x value in the domain, there is exactly one y value from the range. Well, here we've got one x value, but there's more than one y value that it maps to. Okay, so this is not a function. Okay, now what about this one? Well, let's look at the x values. Okay, there's no repeated x values, so right away we know that this is going to represent a function. Okay, because we don't have the case that we had up here. We don't have an ordered pair where we don't have two or more ordered pairs where they have the same x value with different y values. And so the fact that there's only one x value represented in this set for each ordered pair, we're good. Okay. Now the fact that this x value goes to 4 and this x value goes to 4, that's okay. Okay. There's nothing that says that a function can't map one x value or two different x values to the same y value. Remember, the definition is for each x value in the range, there is only one y value. Excuse me, I misspoke. For each x value in the domain, there is exactly one y value in the range. Okay? So for this x value, there is only one y value in the range. For this x value, there's only one y value in the range. It just happens that these two x values just map to the same y value. That's okay. Okay, if multiple x values map to one and the same y value, that's okay. We don't want one x value being mapped to two different y values. That's what we want to avoid. Or not avoid, but that's what we're looking for to determine if that happens, then we're not dealing with a function.